Shihab from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, Sheikh, can you hear me clearly?
Can you what?
My mic is. Can you hear me clearly? I think my mic is a little.
I can hear you. What's your question?
Okay. My question. I need to give you a context for that question. I will.
Ask me the question first, then I'll ask you for the context.
If I don't like the behavior of a sheikh, do I have to, am I obligated to still take ilm from him?
Okay, the answer is your fingers are not the same length. There is the thumb, there is the pinky, and there is you know what. So not all the scholars are the same clones of one another. You may find a scholar soft-spoken, kind, nice, and you may find a scholar or a da'i who is really rough and tough and he'll blow the whole house down. And it is about chemistry. Now, if assuming that both sides of the spectrum follow the sunnah, follow the correct aqeedah, but you are inclined to listen to one over the other. Oh, that softy is no good for me. I fall asleep whenever I listen to him. So I'd rather take from this aggressive sheikh. He's always tough on the manhaj and like this and that, and he's always getting us closer to Allah, and whenever we fall weak, he slaps us on the face. I like this. Good for you. Because the main objective is who would take you to Jannah. If no, you say, yeah, Sheikh, I don't like this aggressive Sheikh. He's so rude. He's so mean. He always calls a spade a spade. And are you referring to me? Maybe. So he's always like this. You know, every time someone asks him, he scolds them and he makes them feel embarrassed. And maybe you're right. So you decide to listen to the soft sheikh because he's more chill. That's your God-given right. What counts is not who you like and who you hate. What counts is who gets you closer to Allah according to the way of the Prophet ﷺ and the Salaf. So someone gets you closer to Allah Azza wa Jal, and you feel inclined to follow him because he behaves like the Prophet ﷺ. He teaches you the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and you are a better person because of him. So be it. Your disliking of the other sheikh does not harm you a bit, because what counts is the love of Qur'an and the Sunnah according to the way of the Salaf. Ibrahim from the US.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salamtullah.
Can I ask 2 questions?
Wallah, we have 4 callers and I don't think the time would suffice. You can have the 5th call if we finish them, and inshallah, if there's enough time, I'll answer your second question. So shoot the first one.
My first question is, where can we learn the 99 names of Allah from a authentic
Well, if you, I don't know what's available in English, but in Arabic, there is the book of Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, there is the book of Sheikh Abdul Razzaq Al-Badr, may Allah preserve him. There are a number of books. There is the book of Al-Asma wa Sifat Al-Sahiha for Sheikh Alawi Al-Saqqaf, may Allah preserve him. It's a very, very beneficial, beautiful book, but it's in Arabic. And Sheikh Alawi Al-Saqqaf is the founder of Ad-Durar Al-Saniyah, the famous website, which is authentic and reliable. And I think they have an English version of it, but the website, I don't know if the book is translated or not. So these are things to look for. If you go to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, you will find a playlist by the name of the Beautiful Names of Allah. I'm currently trying for the 3rd year to finish the book. The book has been printed and not printed, has been written from these series, and I've went through it 4 or 5 times. This is the final time I'm trying to revise it, but yani shaitan is very strong. I'm unable to find the time to sit down, but I hope that this Ramadan I'll try to finish it and get it printed with the grace of Allah.